Change is the only constant in the world. When we equip ourselves with multiple options, change metamorphoses into transformation, all the way with happiness and joy. Super Fantabulous greetings to one and all. I am Dr. Munavri Padmanabhan, founder of Dr. Moon's Academy. I wear multiple hats such as executive coach, OD coach, life coach, mental health coach, as well as trainer. I am a DISC certified biometrics consultant, NLP professional, trainer, above all, mother, wife, sister, homemaker, and more. I have acquired doctoral degree from Bharathidasan University in Women and Career Related Studies. I am an IIMB alumna, postgraduate in social work from Stella Maris, Chennai. I have over 3 decades of diversified experience in human resources function from varied industries that include IT, product, engineering, service, manufacturing. I have also held key director level positions in various multinational organizations. Currently, I am a director, people practice at Professional Access Resources Consulting Private Limited. My positive approach and never give up attitude seems from my upbringing and life's experiences. My passion is to nurture individuals to attain happiness in life through excellence. Today, I will be sharing an experience of applying NLP in my life, the Neuro-Linguistics Programming. NLP is a beautiful behavioral science that dives deep into our mind and explores basic model of communication. I use NLP to teach NLP. This statement, courtesy, is Dr. William Hurton, who is the founder of NFNLP USA. NFNLP USA. Yes, you heard it right. I bring the facilitation of learning NLP alive with smaller and closed-knit workshops, bite-sized capsules, real-time references, examples, and experience, making learning NLP lots of fun and ingraining it, also integrating it even easier. NLP is the science of understanding and leveraging one's internal resources. Learning to understand one conscious and unconscious mind and bring about the most appropriate choice of actions in order to excel. NLP finds its application in various fields, from sports to education, to business, to team management, and to self-management. NLP helps in developing one's ability to influence people around them and build positive and lasting relationships in total. NLP leads to excellence wherever it is applied. Embrace each challenge in your life as an opportunity for self-transformation, says Bernie S. Siegel. I have been a trainer and counselor by heart since 1990. When COVID-19 lockdown threw the entire world out of gear, I explored the silver lining. I used NLP to teach NLP. I leveraged the virtual world to disseminate the essential need of the hour learning. The need for building in positive psyche, mental health, as well as the sustenance. I am very confident, and also I have been very confident, that NLP shall serve as the guiding light to wither the new challenge and to help tackle the fear of unknown. As the popular saying goes, many things come in small packages. I rapidly strategize NLP programming in order to lower most of the entry barriers, build bite-sized modules, brought in close and heterogeneous group of 6 to 8 people, soon them in loops, placing them over a period of 2 weeks, all at the comfort at their homes over the Zoom. If you see the slide here, this talks about our achievements. We 2 captains, myself, Dr. Munavri Padmanabhan, and Mr. Padmanabhan, 2 captains of the organization, we were able to get 87 avid learners with 3,480 hours within 1,044 days. And with just one focus, excellence through NLP. Let me also share with you few testimonials from some of our avid learners who have completed their courses and moved onward to spread their learnings. Here is a student who shares that NLP is not an explanation, it is an experience. She says the principles of NLP has resonated in her greatly, and she was full of gratitude for this opportunity, and she was very happy that she was able to make her goals a reality. Here is another student. He says his journey of NLP has helped him to talk to people without any hesitations. He also says that he is able to gain immense knowledge, and he's moved on from basic to masters, and now he wants to move on to the trainer level. Here is another CEO of the organization. He says for him, NLP, when he started, it was a tip of the iceberg, and he's still exploring day by day as a tip of the iceberg. It's very interesting to see how people are wanting to make a reality of their own life through NLP. Here is another person who's a managing director of an organization. He says NLP can only be experienced and it cannot be explained. How beautiful, isn't it? He's full of gratitude and he's so happy at the investment he made and the results that he's got. For more testimonials, please visit our website www.drmoons.net. Recognition by NFNLP for this pioneering move fueled the journey further. What started as baby steps on April 16th has now grown to 12 batches of basic practitioners and 2 batches of master practitioners. And it is growing further. Should I call this a success story yet? Well, I would say it's just a beginning. Soon we had reached our first big event, our milestone, an event which was carefully curated. All the NLP learners, about 40 of them, from Dr. Moon's Academy, world's leading NLP trainer and the founder of NFNLP USA, Dr. Will Horton and Mrs. Christina Horton, honored this event, and Dr. Will shared his wonderful pearls of wisdom. Change is the end result of all true learning. That was a motive behind this event. Dr. Will Horton virtually fueling the will, this event was a grand success. Commencing with a stimulating virtual dance, progressing to an invigorating number, exchange of experience, expansion of maps and all. While our first event proved to be a success, we decided to hold a virtual graduation ceremony for the 5 batches who had successfully completed their basic and master practitioner courses in a span of mere 3 months. This event was totally powered through with one aim in mind to celebrate success. We are the pioneers who made it virtual in terms of master program as well as initiated a different kind of a basic practitioner program with the same curriculum of NFNLP. We lowered most of the entry barriers. We did a different kind of strategy. We have a bite-sized 2-hour modules spanning over 2 weeks of learning at the comfort of your homes over Zoom. And this makes very easy for you to learn. We also provide individual attention by right-sizing the batch strength. We accept heterogeneous groups of 6 to 8 people. The simple takeaways for transformation is very simple. We are very pragmatic and we also give real-time references. We ease the application of learning. We give people who join us the choice of flexible schedule. Credible facilitators with over 60 years of combined experience and pocket-friendly pricing. Isn't it interesting? Penny saved is penny learned. Over and above, Dr. Moon's Academy brings you a huge saving of 43.5% on the regular pricing. So what are you waiting for? Enroll now at www.drmoons.net. We also provide other programs under Dr. Moon's Academy. We help people to increase their happiness quotient. We also provide mental health awareness to the institutions, to the corporates, and to certain individuals. We also do barefoot counseling program, which we call it as Kone Kone Pe counseling in an organization. We also do behavioral patterns of people. We help people to analyze their own DISC style. Our program called Working Together Works is a signature program that we also do. We do building and performing teams. We focus on organizational culture. We do employee engagement programs. We build gender neutral and safe work environment. We also do executive coaching, career coaching, life coaching, and many more. For more details, please visit our website www.drmoons.net. Thank you so much for your time.